Stay away from miserable people, bro. Because miserable people are the only type of people who don't got their own life figured out, but they just want to fuck up yours. They just want to ruin yours. They just want to rub all their negative energy and all their insecurities and all their problems onto you and your positive life, because they know that you got something going for yourself, because they know that you have a future, because they know that your focus is locked in. Don't let them throw you off track. Just keep doing you. Keep focusing, keep winning, keep learning, keep growing. Because then, they're gonna stay in the same spot forever.
Give it to them, give it to them. Planka Nation meet and greet was a big success. Give it to them, give it to them. What them I gonna do fi stop it? Not even way up me down a Pennsylvania couldn't stop it. So how we uno I gonna do fi stop it? Cause we say give it to them, give it to them. Planka Nation, Planka the success, give it to them, give it to them. Meet and greet, me say it was a big success. Give it to them, give it to them. And what them I gonna do fi stop it, Planka Nation? Not even way up me down a Pennsylvania. You don't know where happen now, you see where happen. Could have stop it. So all them a try to stop it. Them think all kind of way and think all kind of things to stop it. Eh? Not even Bujo Show couldn't stop it. I never try to stop something we sold out from the first 2 days of ticket go on sale and sold out again after we extend ticket sales and sold out again after we extend a 3 times that, you know, a 4 times that, you know, a 5. Hey yo, you know what I do? Planka Nation, man. A one nation stands alone. You hear me tell you no? One nation stands alone. United we stand and divided we fall. When time ready, we just put we back against the wall. How them to stop it? Not even what me with chums couldn't stop it. Remember that. And if I even did Joe widen and not Biden, it still couldn't stop it. Speak my mind, family. What's up? I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Me I go to a nice dark background. You know, because I'm in a motel. I just come from Meet and Greet and in a motel. I can't make you know me there. You're mad? I'm a motel, me now. I have to be behind the dark. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And remember, please to watch the ads. Alright. And remember, down in the comment section, we have Tamika Douglas TV. We have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Down there too. Give them a subscription. We will help them channel to reach 1,000 subscribers. Who knows? Them can come probably be somebody like Dana Marigo. You understand? So we have to help them. Nobody know what the future is. You understand? Yes, man. Because remember, at some stage, you know, 99 have to pass on the back, you know. The man cloth goes on. You understand? Because I saw the thing set up. You're not going to be there forever. Alright? And you want to know, so when you pass it on in good hands. Just like if you have a car or you have a nice house, you don't really want to sell it, but circumstances you have to sell it. You don't really want to sell it to nobody where 5-10 years down the line you can't pass it and see it and say, Ratted, watch my house, me like how it still look, the people them take care right good. Ratted, watch my car, me like how it look, still look clean and nice and crisp. Yes, you feel good if you know say something where you did love and through circumstances make you sell it. Because you never really want to sell it if I never the circumstances you'd still have it up till today. You understand? So you try to sell it to somebody where years after you can still see it and love it. Well, that's how it go. You understand? Things have to pass on. Anyway, people, why may I tell you? I wonder if you don't plan for all of these critics. You don't plan for all of these critics who are going to come tomorrow morning. Because we know a whole lot of critics, you know. We know it's going to be a lot of critics. You have one who love come out, come watch people close. T-girl. But T-girl, what you going to say? What you going to say? The Meet and Greet stands out for its name. Night of Elegance. Jesus Christ, man. People. What me say? It stands out for its name. Night of... Me just want to see my face. No, my face. Because you see that little dark background there with the lights up around there. I kind of like it. Instead of when I flip the camera, when I see the grill, yeah, that little lights up, I like it. But I just want to see my face here a few minutes. Girl, I want you to come out and come talk off your dirty mouth. Because I never see a gesture yet. The place is so rammy. And honestly, me not lie. If one day me not see it, me not see one dress there when I look elegant. All of the woman them, me good age, young age, old age, uno look good. Uno look good, uno come out. And if you never ever come out, at least I one sit there, you have to come out for. Because you know the nastiness them are going to come out. All of who did that talk about Buju show, because so them catch up on them phone and when them can't see a live go on, no way at all. This is not showing a live. Them could have search all people where them never subscribe or follow yet, just to see if them are go live. Them in a higa. Them skin a crutch them like them live a country and a run through bush and buck up in a cow each. When they look all when it's 7:30 and then click and can't see nobody they live because they can't see people business, kin a crutch them like them just go through cowish. And then say them a Buju show figure, but then cock up. I watch Meet and Greet, Planka Nation business. As me talk about Buju show, Jesus Christ. Sorry if I call out the Lord name in vain. Me not come to stay long, you know. Sorry if I call out the Lord name in vain. Me just a girl go round up to go something for the morning. Yes, man. Cause me don't know if I not get no video tomorrow. If not get video, I must wait down in the evening. Me see one we come and talk about Buju show. I have the heart to talk about. Well, she did say she go sell the feed. Me never know how she put on the show. But people have to pay for see it in our members only. And when she can't see the money come, she have to start show it free. And so the people them start get her super chat. And me hear she come out come say after say she make $100. Long after she was done in her, she and her ATL friend them. One woman and her daughter and one next one. She a go like say one bag of people come look for her to come at Buju show. 3 look at somebody or 4. And people, see the people them here, hide behind the camera. Because when Marcia wear, she declare herself as an official clown. Because she do that just the people talk, you know. But one thing me know Marcia where you know do for nobody talk. You wear the big old bright hair, yes it's true. Because you want to stand out, because you want people to see and look and laugh. But the clothes where you wear never appropriate. The clothes where you wear match you as a full-fledged clown, not just the ear, the clothes also. And people, Jesus Christ, Papa Jesus. Marcia, if you have a big deal, we love come out and come watch people and tell people about clothes, Marcia. Me can't believe, say, the little yard slippers you buy and wear over 2 weeks now, everywhere you go, you wear it. You get fire from your jobber's card into you and wear it. And you have it a road and wear all over. And hit you really go a Gargamel show, you know? You couldn't find one nice good crap then. Say you clown out yourself or you establish yourself as a clown. Or you just want to be seen. Or you want to be separate from the crowd. Everybody I see you, as you say, because this big old clown here. Yes. Marcia, the slippers where you wear, you know, will fully wear that. Because you want people to see you in it. You wear it, Master, because probably you never have nothing else to wear. Because your things them scatter all over where you have. Master, that the slippers they can't comfortable so. If you like your friend them visit from ATL, out, that's supposed to be Atlanta, right? And come and you wear that the yard slippers they got a Gargamel show and you say you pay so much money for going and now you buy the ticket. Me know that. I go to them same set of people they buy the ticket. But you come and brag and you talk about your friend them come from ATL because that you sing point from there. And your friend them afraid to come in the camera with your master. To them know why you look bad every minute. See them you peep in the camera. Master there and see them you peep. Peeping. She have to turn the camera upon the people them without them even know. Just to show the people them. Master that I just one little family come from Atlanta come visit you. We follow you and clown you out on your page. You see the Meet and Greet? You Marcia, me know you did a watch it in between you uncomfortably a Buju show because you want to see what I go on. Marcia, me know you did a watch. You did uncomfortably about to show your on and off. Go see you're working 2 phones at a time, having your life because you don't want to disrupt your life. The people know say what you're going to watch Meet and Greet. So you could have your next phone and work the Meet and Greet while you work your phone and do the video in about your show. People come from hard boat, not just United States. People from Panama, people from Canada. Well, me don't know if nobody is flying from England, but people come from all boat. Not just state to state. Not just state to state of America. People come from Canada, travel from Canada, whether them drive or them fly. Them travel from Canada. People from the small islands in the Caribbean, they also travel. But anyway, this is not about you, Marcia. But me just have to talk, cause when me see the slippers, me I say, no man. Buju Banton should just drop the song. This one is a bombshell. Marcia in our yard slippers at the Gargamel party. Yeah man, Buju should drop that song to him up. This one is a bombshell. Marcia in our yard slippers at Buju Banton party. Anyway, Marcia, me know tomorrow cause you done. Promise say you have a lot to say. Me know the whole owner will come out with no critics. You understand? But one thing stands out. 99, I know Beyonce. 99, I know Nicki Minaj. 99 is no big top artist, Rihanna, none of them. And watch them. She sell out Amazura. In the last, the Marcy, I wonder if you find a part of the clip down here, you see? The owner of the Amazura make herself present. She want to speak to Donna Marigo. You know what's top name and big artists? Go to Amazura. I mean, I think the manager or the owner ever want to talk to them after show done. This woman want to know who is this woman because it look like she know her. So she want to really know who is this little small woman. Because after she might hear little tits and tats in a corner around there, so she definitely want to meet this woman in person. Because she can't believe. Say after you rent a space of 50 somebody or 100 person, within 2 days ticket go on sale. You have to order for more space for another 200, 300 and by that get and put out there and ticket start sell is another 400 space you want. Then owner must want to know you. Owner must want to know you because she never hears her Beyonce. She never hears her Rihanna. She never hears her Nicki Minaj. She never hears her none of them the people there. You know? One little name where she could have even hear. Call in her circle, none at all. Probably the first she hear about the name that this night here. Or probably she might hear during the whole, you know, renting of the place. But when she see where really take place, 13th of July, a day to remember, man. She's supposed to have the calendar there. One big old city mark, Donna Marie go on her Planka Nation. You know, say what day? For a long while, my people Spice go to Amazura and it never sell out, so. I want to know Spice be loved by our people, them. And it never sell out, so. I remember Spice a bigger name worldwide. No doubt about it. No, if not right, you know. Spice name a bigger name worldwide because remember she a entertainer. And she couldn't sell out Amazura a couple months ago when she go there. So with that tell you, say, one nation stands alone, support. One nation stands alone, support. But as me say, me know people wanna prepare for it because they are so predictable, you know. They are so predictable that you can predict what they are going to say. Some might not come out tomorrow, come talk. Some might come the next day. But them now make Tuesday pass. Oh, me a go in the background there, so me no want soon. I know some me no want soon, I me no want to see me. We just like that little, when me do it a while ago, I see, I say, wow, that background I look good. You know, it just dark and then when you look outside, you see the light. Yeah man, I like it. And then, you know, you see like a reflection of the tree and something. Yeah, I like it. But anyway, my people, I want to prepare for the critics. Because them love watch the people them, you know. Once it come on to Planka Nation, all eyes out from haters camp. All the haters them, we hate all them one another over there. All eyes out. Them watch from shoes to dress. You go hear them come, Lord, so that the cheap wig they should have on. Come on. That have for sure me know no can't come to Dana with about here. Because me know not gonna try to find everything. Even the little food thing, or even the little, you know, unruly behavior. But let me tell you this. With someone with a crowd like that, who have so much love for this woman, me can't tell you. It never did gonna be as smooth as we would really want it to be. And we have to just face reality in our life. Dana is so loved that that crowd that was in Amazura tonight, all of them not going to be, would be people, all of them now is not unruly. They're going to probably, somebody might just get unruly who is never unruly. Because you see that love there, where them have fear, I got cause a little chaos. Where seating of VIP and such is concerned, I would say the organizer of the event, the planner of the event, dropped the ball. That's so. You know? Yes, I figure more or less them drop the ball. That's so. Because one, why I say this, VIP section should be a section where it not really separate definitely from the whole settings itself, but you should have some form of barriers with security who can control a crowd. Because basically, you know, event planners wanna know the numbers won't have a face. I don't like someone to know the numbers won't have a face. And in life, when you do these things, you have to prepare for the worst. You can't prepare and say, okay, I'll be an elderly person that come. None of them are really in a wheelchair, so we don't need no wheelchair. Them just a walk with stick. You have to prepare wheelchair, because you never know what will happen. One of them can't give way, them can't drop down, them can't faint, and you might need a wheelchair. So don't just say yes to what be elderly people that come and none of them no use wheelchair. You not provide a wheelchair. You have to provide, you have to prepare. As I always say, prepare to fail or fail to prepare. And I feel like the planners, I'm not going to come down upon it too hard, because based on what I say, you know, have done a marvelous job. You know, and you know, if you want to drop the ball even at 2 or 3%, we can't really roughen up feet. But where the ball drop, it shouldn't drop this up. I must somewhere else it should drop. Because I am saying VIP, you should have either a separate entrance for VIP, or if VIP and regular people is going to use the same entrance, you should have used some form of barrier to separate. So who are VIP come through this barrier, turn left or turn right. So at no times VIP and the regular seating would be mixed up, and you have proper security to vet the people them, whether them email or them barcode or whatever, approve say this person has a ticket for whether 1, 2 or 3 persons, and what type of ticket them have. You understand? So I feel right there, so we want to drop the ball. If the ball even if it drop, it shouldn't drop right there, so. The ball shouldn't drop right there, so. That is like a security concern right there, so. You understand? Because if me pay for VIP, probably I just want to stay from the regular crowd, whether for security reasons, safety reasons overall, and then I don't get what I supposed to get. You understand? So I feel when I drop the ball, me nah go rush on for dropping the ball, because you know I've done a marvelous job and everybody probably can do these settings wanna do and stuff, and I know it not take one day and wanna can get exhausted and stuff overdoing what all I wanna do, but my point is the ball shouldn't drop right there, so you understand, it should drop somewhere else but not there, so anyway, big up on yourself, great job, you know. Yes, away from that. And then, you know, everybody learn from the mistake, and probably when never encounter nothing like this, so as you go along, you will learn from a mistake, you know. So big up on yourself, even planners and stuff, great job. But next time, you know, when find safe the thing, especially where the security concern is, because, you know, I consider that a part of security concern. Proper checks and security should put in place to put people where they're supposed to go. You should even, which I don't know still, you should even have usher to usher people to tables, you know, and stuff like that, instead of send people in the area and say just go hold a table. No. Should have usher people, have people for usher people, so I want to have a supervisor while checking, okay, table 1 is full, okay, table 2 is full, okay, table 3 is full, so we'll move on to table 4. I want to do it, you know, in a cadence and make the thing kind of run smooth. But people, it was a good look, Planka Nation. Hats off to you know, as me say, one nation stands alone, you know, and boy, me I tell you, we can see the real love for this woman, and it not just come easy, so you understand, for this woman for love so much by people we should don't even know, no found the first one even meet her, you understand, someone still never get to meet her, and please me I beg you know, someone where might, you know, a meet and greet, when you come for meet and greet, if you don't even get a picture or get to meet her, come on. When you don't go one, because I know someone who is on a plank, we still go one away. Go say certain things and bash and ray, and you know, you have to understand the vast amount of crowd that was there, as I said earlier on, you know. Things never go smooth as we would uno and we would all want it to go. So I know no phone might even get a picture. No phone should might even probably end up come on the table. I don't know me just I say because I was in and out of the live because it starts 7 o'clock and you know, me have my business I do at the time, so I run in and I run out. Sometimes I out of the Wi-Fi and you know, so sometimes we jump on my phone, we have the service and see where I go on, and you know, me drop a one comment and I move again because you're busy, you can't hang the phone. You understand me I say to you? So we know our little critics are gonna come out, even some of Uno Planka are gonna come out with things we are not dissatisfied with, you know. Well, me don't know, me seen the comment in one night part where in our last part Dana asked Chris, and people was in the comments saying Chris leave upset. I don't see the last time I see Chris I went, I think little after him and Nana Lynn greet and stuff, and some him did with some people that take picture and whatsoever and stuff, but in the comment, me I see the comment that say Chris leave feeling upset. What it was, me don't know because I don't see no comment say boy XYZ, you know. But then I was asking him, and I see that, you know, you have some little people might be upset with certain little things where never really happen, you know. As me say, simple things as they never hit a meet and greet, and they might never end up meet in person, but them in the environment where she was. But they really wanted to meet, but it never happened, it never materialized. But you know, when I have to give and take, when I have to understand, you know, the vast amount of people and she getting exhausted. Remember, she has been up and about from probably about what, Thursday, Times Square, yesterday doing this, doing that, you know. So, you know, with the whole Acklins and crowd, you know, knowing that probably over 1,000 people want to see that one person. It's not like that one person want to see a magnitude of persons. You know? It's a magnitude of person want to see that one person and want to meet and greet, take pictures and video clips and stuff. You know, and it can be very exhausted. So some people might get left out and feel left out saying and that them did pay for and them not like what them get. And there was also, I think, a food issue, you know. And as I say, we have to just prepare for them things that sometimes when you have these vast amount of people, you know. And then as I say, the love for this woman, basically, you know, I got just find things go smooth. People will get unruly because if me there is somebody who want to see Dana so much in person. You understand? I might never probably get another chance. Or they might have to go wait for another long while to get another chance. And they want to see her so much and everybody there in front of them a force and a force. People are a force a pass them if you go take a picture. Come on. Where are you, man? You are going to get bringing in yourself now. Because remember now, you know, you play the nice guy role. You understand? You did it, I play a nice guy role, so you wait till the term and wait till I want to take a picture. I want to take a picture. And you sit down and wait. And people just pass you and go pass you, will just come and get picture and them all shoot you down. Come on. Worse if you have any little only something there in you and get to something there in you, it a go chip in. It a go chip in, people. We are human beings, not talk truth. It is going to chip in. Me not ask. And it might cause a little confrontation because I know you might go bump upon somebody where and it causes that. So in them things that we understand say it not go all be 100%, but as me say, the percentage of normality, you know, normalcy and stuff like that and smooth running, it was okay. So we know the critics are gonna come up about a little 2% and try to create a scene over the 2%. Them now gonna look on the bigger picture. They say, Jesus Christ, no sir. Them really love this woman here. How will she do them so? And them will come with them talk where them always talk. You don't know the talk. Me never go talk what the talk. Because that's enough for this video here. This video is just praise you know as plankers. You know, if you want to support and want to turn out and the love we really see. You understand? So them can't talk say this is love over phone because of social media where people just have them platform, them phone and them can type on somebody platform. This is real love showing. Real love a show. In person. You understand? You know what big artists going to Amazura and can't fool it? You know what big artists promoter, big artists themselves keep the show and can't have that the crowd that we see in Amazura. Big promoter hire certain artists where them feel like can lock down Amazura. And them not lock down Amazura. People want to hear me depend on the live because some of them might have gone home tired with it dead. Some of them must depend on the live from day and come off exhausted. But 2 minutes in and out, me come catch the last part to up to when the phone are dead and the picture them are take when the woman pop off down a wig. Because you know long, me see down off your petty wig. Every time I shoot the hair drop down in the back. Every time somebody come and lean on her shoulder and rest on in her back, you find say the hair a shift off her head. One night time Shelly ever clean go fi take you off, then I say Shelly you need to take off me wig. And every minute she have fix it. You understand me? I say so somebody me never depend on the life them the time when they take off. Me never jump off. And I think when I come back now, I saw me miss her. And I don't know who did have the phone at the time. Told me Miss Phoenix turn the phone pan and I realized Miss Phoenix have the phone and the video in. Then everybody start asking, so Dana there. I said probably Dana exhausted and gone hold a little 5 minutes rest. Them time the other week somebody pop off a Dana at Rastaja and Dana I figure fix up a little personal hair they know. You understand a good thing, the personal hair they tan good on the week. And I like some of them when time them back off the wig it come like that. Their head coming like Kaya mattress, them asleep in a. You don't know Kaya mattress when you wake up you have to go in front of your mirror go pick out every piece of sponge in your head. Yes man, some of them you know when you pop off their wig. God Almighty, you wonder which part of them asleep. Or you wonder if them did wash that their head there before them put the wig on it. But so they have the wig everywhere them I go then run dry tan. Boom, boom. Some of them make sure Cane roll the hair in a two. And it stays so until dirt start grow up on the scalp. Yes man. So a good thing Dana here they tan good. So she go look one little gel and somebody go find one little gel and come and gel it up and you know and she come back out. Cause when I time me the thing so she gone. You understand the people? So me know a whole heap of little critics are gonna come where a minority, because you don't know the haters them are gonna look them critics. Because them themselves surprised, you know. Because this is nothing to surprise about. Because tickets were sold, pre-sold. And they were hearing that ticket keeps selling out. You know, every time the ticket come out, sold out, sold out, sold out. Ticket come out, sold out. Ticket come out, sold out. So, unless them is just, what you call it now, hard to believe that this is really happening. So they want to see it for themselves. To see the turnout, if the turnout really gonna come out as with them say ticket a sell. Because I remember one time, you know, more than one time Dana said, ticket sold out, and I don't even know if them are print no more, ticket sold out. Some of them could have even realize each time, say for instance, the planner rent a space for hold 200 somebody. Ticket put out for that, it's sold out. So basically ticket sold out. So Dana have to wait until what kind of adjustment we make to get other spaces. Then I have to wait for the event planner now to tell her, say, okay, there is more space, allocate, wait, 300 more ticket out. So probably through them years say sold out, and then I still come and say ticket for sale, ticket for sale, ticket for sale. The amount of people still they don't want ticket up to when this show you keep. You understand? So me and one of them were there wait for the phone critics. And before me go with people, me I got to read something to you. Alright, the critics already did start from today, you know, but this is the one I want to point out. I want to point out something with Rose. And this is all from Tina Chin page. See it here? All from Tina Chin page. She no look good. Frederica Williamson. We look like one half dead brownie we are clean up whichever country she come from. And I know she work with the solid waste department in whichever state or country she come from. Mighty Father, this no look good. Alright, that one I name herself Bertha. Who to tell if I know the CMT lady page. One name Venita King. Go cover up your breasts. God will sing you, man. Tina Chin now. Too much going on. Was not this the woman who used to cover up people breasts? When they visited her. So how now she assure hers? Well, let me adjust that part there. I think Dana come out here and tell us she lose her way. Losing her way, that no mean say she not believe in her God. Losing her way no mean say God put her aside. Because she loses her way within herself because she know there is certain things that she used to not indulge with or not, you know, a part of. Now probably she find herself being a part of that. The lady we're not just showing her cleave is her one who want to call it, as she always say, cover up. No fun to talk about the woman used to talk about. Nobody must come around and always them up on turkey neck. Only just love chat. Only just try to make the woman look bad. The woman always just try to say, like most time the woman them coming at certain things where done so I show certain deep way. She say cover up man or draw up. Yes. We all agree. Alright? And this is one I think I know no fun come out come critique. Certain music, certain songs where they play at the meet and greet. This is one of the things. I never want to say it, but I say it since I see this. No fun come out come say I play at her meet and greet. Somebody will say she a Christian. Remember now, she keeping a meet and greet. The music was all smooth, all fine. Remember now, it's not just Christian and elderly people that are the party, that are the meet and greet. You have young people who are going to dance or go wind up and broke out. Yeah, yeah. Hold up your anchor, you know, man, mascot. Yeah, yeah. You have young girl we got the meet and greet too. We pay them good money. We want to have fun too. Then they want to have each up in a corner because of the old people and Christian music are playing. The meet and greet was for all ages. I mean, hear no song up to when me listen, play out of the way. Not even the Shabba never out of the way. Not even the Shabba out of the way. We say, one joke, one wash, then you turn it down. Not even that did out of the way. The songs were just all suited for the occasion and suit every age that was there. And I know that would be one of the critics. It's just that I never want to say that you make a buck up on this. So when you go talk about if this not the woman that used to talk way. How much Christian you know that all in a church? They pan all choir. Me sure no you never sit down upon choir. Never sit down upon choir yet. And after choir, which part them find themselves? Right back in the world. I do worse than what Dana do. Dana is so important to our eyes and to our life that anything should do. We make it look like the worst, so we never see it done before in our life yet. We never see nobody with it in a church. I do worse and or do the same thing before yet. We never see nobody with holy in a church. We not see pastor. I do worse than her. You know see pastor wife I do worse than her. You know say altar girl I do worse than her. So what she do out of the way? If she did dress in a one holy man dress and come out, we have a problem. One talk about what? Wrong color, wrong ear. No, wrong color, wrong hairstyle, too much frill. It's a no for me. Her makeup look okay. So me never know say Dana money where she spend and buy the dress at 100. And you, let me call out your name. Denise lady standard brown. You don't have no standard. You coming like a old Leland Chuck. You don't have no standard. You can't hardly go up firm gully. What kind of standard you have? But Denise standard brown. Denise lady standard brown. What kind of lady is? He is no lady. If you was a lady, you would not do this. And if you didn't have any standard, you would come on Tina Chin page and mix up with Tina Chin and do this way you do. Me never know say Dana Jess you did send the money come give her. Me never know say Dana Jess she did call you and ask you what color you tell her and she use a different color. Me never know say you and Dana have the same feeling, same mind, same thinking, same liking. Me never know that. You know what jars you put on and your man not like it. You know what jars where you put on where sometimes the fabric where you wear could give you east, west, north and south infection. But sometimes your man not tell you. You understand? So on what you like for your next person is what the person like. And this is the thing with Uno. Uno see people problem, see people business when phone wanna spoil. Because of so much things you do where other people don't like. And in life, you don't do nothing to suit nobody, you do it to suit yourself. Once it suits you, once you like it. See it, I'm showing every day. See it, look upon it. A 4 stripe it have. Adidas a 3. So basically this come like a knockoff them it for Adidas. But me feel comfortably in it. So I wear. And me go show you something. When me buy them, me not buy them one. I want to look a girl on the sidewalk where sell little slippers and sweetie and something. And them things, I support her and buy them from her. I don't even go to town to buy them. Because them cheaper at town, but I just support her. See there? I don't make them run out. She see me and say, Gary, I have 2 of them. You know? And I say, just put them in a bag. I come to them. See them there? Brand new. And I have about 2 other under my bed. Because when them go down, I buy more. And I now wear them till me eat back. I drop on the ground. Look. Look on this. See it? Me now wear them till me I dash this. I got dash right now. You know long this put at the doorway there. So. Why me not dash to a rainy time? So me I say sometimes me I go out the door instead of go out the door in the wet with the one where me might wear up and down on the veranda. Me put on the one there. See it? So when you go tell me say Adidas me forgot buy because me cockatty. Me can't buy Adidas. But what? The first time we were one of them Adidas slippers, my baby mother buy for my birthday with a jokey part in it. And it was so uncomfortable. I left it out the door, my dog dry it with. Because I know the dog they go dry it with. I end up go buy one like this. The real Adidas. When I have a jokey something in it. And I was so uncomfortable same way in it. And when I buy them, I say, them fits well. Comfortable. And as I say, as I wear them for a week or a week and a half, rubbish pan. Sometimes I say, Jesus, please, you know what people that like one of them slippers here to put on. Because sometimes I see some man with them. Them wear them to the heel back. rub out and them heel back a drop on the ground. What me say? So I know what uno like, and what people like. People buy what them want. Uno can't tell people if you buy what tie you got and you good and look good. Eh? You know much time? You know what time you good and go out and look good or tan good, girl. But to you feel like you look good. But who cares if you want to look good? I your money and you feel like you look good. So all good and well. You're gonna never, although I don't know, big top of the line designer make a dress. Because the girl that make the dress straight from Mountain View she come from. And she did not the green and wall up the tail all along. When I say Dana introduce her more than one time, even when Dana they go uptown and I buy the hot dog them from Uri and brother, and she did I hold the camera and free. She always ready for going on camera. All when Dana go around her yard, she do her work. You understand? You could have even have nothing in your closet look like that. But you come and criticize. You could have nothing in your closet value the money where it make, although it's not where we pay if you make it and buy material. You not talk too much frill. I know what you like. At the first just you're not gonna say with frill. So everybody wear frill then are too much frill. Eh? Everybody wear. You bet you have a Beyonce in the night or Nicki Minaj or Rihanna in the night. You don't have a problem with it. But two of this you could get a girl. This ghetto girl. She just looks so simple. This ghetto girl. She make the whole of them a worry. This one little ghetto girl. Yeah, man. Try to Nicki Minaj or Rihanna. There's a problem with the dress. If I did have a Nicki Minaj or Rihanna walk out in that pan stage, you know. Yo, me love the dress. Boy, I not like the dress look good. If me got married or something like that, would I want to make? Yes, man. Me not like Rihanna. You just a shoot. Yes, man. Rihanna. Me love it. Rihanna, me love your dress. Me love it. Boy, me love it. But me can't buy it, Rihanna. But would I copy it and make somebody make it if them can't make? Me love it. I saw no that one. But to a Dana, somebody who can't stop in life again. Cause I want to try for 5 years before she reach America. I don't can't stop her, and now she reach America. No worse and now can't stop her. You understand me? I said to you? So you see the power of the support which she have, it make you can't stop her. You understand? Because whether they do tough, whether rain and fall and the place muddy, or it's sunny or snow, Planka Nation stand right behind her. You don't want eyeglasses see that. One more you want to see. You see it naturally we don't know high now. One more you want to see. The next comment me did I look for, me not get to find it, people. Me not know if me delete it or me don't remember who sent me. This girl come out pan Rose. This girl come out and say, me can't find, me like read that for me see, but me can't remember the comment pan at level. She always come up on her live like she's smart. She always want to go at Rose. But it's like she just can't find the will to go at Rose. Because as she said, Rose never trouble her yet. But despite she always say Rose never trouble her yet, she always try to, involve Rose name in her things one way or the other. And then she come out and she dash some little secret shades under a little vice like, she now said this is trouble Rose, but me see a comment somebody send me. Well, not a comment, a post that she make. Probably me go up on her platform would see it, she not take it down. Cause me say she do one live early this morning and she go on with a bag of things. But somebody send me the live. But when me wake and see the live, me see the person text me back say, boy, it like she delete it cause when she walk me it has something different, she see. And knowing that she go on with that bag of sit me here in the live. But somebody said them download it and have it. When I hope them send it come give me. Here Lord, like she said, you couldn't buy Rose one good lace front wig. The woman wear what she have, she wear what she can afford, she wear what she like, she wear what she want. You don't feel like if Rose did want a lace front wig, she have money can go buy a lace front wig. Eh? You know, must tell you just sure. You don't feel like if Rose did want a lace front wig, she could have go buy it. Eh? Me not think Rose foolish like you and squander her money. Me not think Rose come out here come go on like she act like you and can't afford certain things. You understand? Right now you want a wig. You refurbish one of your old wig what you like you take off idiot like we don't know how to refurbish wig you have on. The same wig where you refurbish and I wear what day. You're gonna take it off here now because all the way you use through the wig all of the mouse and the whatsoever you put in it and the spritz and the this and all the condition water if you bring it back alive you can wear it for a couple of days. That's supposed to wear out now, it's supposed to trash it. So me not see you from weeks so you're gonna ball out here now. Yeah man. I have the tie around your head. You just come out and come make a secret problem and worries and go and get smart. Big post you put up with the woman name and you claim say the woman never trouble yet so you're not go off her and you always a throw shades at the woman. Always a throw shades at the woman. Anyway people, as I say Planka Nation, big up on yourself. We see the love is real. It's not just on the phone when you go on and type in a comment section on a prove on the love tonight. Although I've been proving on the love over and over because the more the naysayers them come and the more Dana come out and so I can reach out to that person, yeah, who is always there. But what? Them see with them naked eyes now, the real love. Look how big Amazura is. One of them did I say, why she go for Amazura? Oh, she go like she a big deal or she a big thing. The same one they call herself big deal. She could have go for a little smaller space and wait. I wonder if you realize that Amazura did even want more space, the amount of people will still want a ticket. All of the people them did wait for nickel time, Jamaican style, forget ticket. We get left and end up they get no ticket. You can't believe it. Curly, you can't believe it. Right now, if that gala they keep push bar, this meet and greet the keep push bar, your gala keep the amount of people sophisticate. The amount of people suffocate. What I say? If this is never keep push bar, your gala keep the amount of people suffocate. The state couldn't have enough oxygen to bring back them the people there. They would have to call for oxygen and ambulance from different states. And by them time they to that too late. And I only saw a big deal. Dana is no deal. Dana is no deal. Dana is just a little gully rat, a gully girl, a little bangarang girl, a little all the name them wanna call her. All the name them wanna call her. But you see her who shine. Uno a star, but uno not shine. A fall, uno a fall. Uno a falling star. Uno a no shining star. Look how you got big Gargamel Buju Bantan show where you claim to say it was so expensive. In our slippers you buy 3 weeks ago and from you buy the slippers you live in it, you know, come out it is a yard slippers you wear. Me never see that I go nowhere. If I even want down at the ball ground, down a mountain view with them I put on treat or nothing, me never see that I wear none of that. Unless she run out her, she busy and run out her yard like on the baking season, so she just run go down to go show her face. But for set, she not busy and I do nothing at all. Me never see that I run out her yard, they go not even up a mountain view football field. Where them boy you play football in a yard slippers and you gonna big Gargamel show in a yard slippers. Cause for you buy the slippers you live in it, man, so you don't come out of it. You claim to start you it comfortable. But at the same time it never appropriate. Today you could have wear a sneakers you know you wear. Marcia, a back way you go in a life. You go further and further back way in a life. Right now you could have soon surpass which part you're there presently in a life. Just give you a few more weeks. Because when me see you wear a yard slippers gonna Gargamel show with your big Tapanaris friend them, as what you say from Atlanta. Your big Tapanaris friend them come from Atlanta, come to New York. Me know them now wearing a little yard slippers come. Must say that's why I'm afraid for going on the picture with you on the video. And you're live. Move. Speak my mind, people don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and like the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. And down in the comment section, you have Tamika Douglas TV. And you also have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Go ahead and give them a subscription. And remember, when you ask it, me go it, give it to you. The cash app is there. $ Life is a Mission TV. You know, you give me take the gift and give to the needy, not the greedy. No greedy over here. We say needy. Because there's a lot of people out there needy. Bless upon yourself. As I say, I don't know if I get a video for tomorrow. after this, you know, see this, but me did have to do this. And this is the reason why I try to do this tonight, because to how me feel, my wife I go hold me down all day tomorrow. If she let me go, I know the 5 o'clock bells. My wife now let me go tomorrow. That's why I try my best to do this from tonight. So all me can do is say, wife, me I get up, me I use the bathroom and trick her and carry the phone, go in the bathroom. Cause me I upload it from tonight, you know. And release it about in a little 10 o'clock bells. So the English people, them, the English supporter them, where in a 6 o'clock bells, by them time they're about 4, 6 o'clock for them. By the time if I release it with a 10, 12 o'clock, yeah, we are relaxed now after a hard day's house work or coming from work, or some of them gonna go work on Sunday, them can sit down and have something to watch also. Alright? Maureen, best up yourself, English. You understand? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. If you don't get no video, so it go. From a week, you not get some double. I'm out.